Hi everyone. Today I'm going to open a box of Absolute Memorabilia 2006 football. Alright, let's get started. Changing the camera angles, trying to see what's the best way for everybody to see. I don't know how to open this. Alright, 4 packs. So I don't know exactly how many cards in there, but let's hope it's nice. Let's go one by one, huh? Try to make this fast. Okay, first pack. Alright, I'm gonna use scissors. Let's see. First one, Aaron Brooks. We got a rookie, Camarion Wembley. Oh, look at that. Reggie Bush. Marks of Fame jersey. It's a pretty plain jersey, but hey, at least it's Reggie Bush, huh? Cool. That one inside. And we got Chris Sims. Okay, next pack. Wish it was autographed. I get a lot of jerseys, no autographs. Okay. Oops. Next one. We got Todd Heap. In the back we got Dante Stallworth, Terry Glenn, autograph. Who's this? Mike Haas. Alright, whatever. Number 6 out of 349. Obviously he wasn't the best one. This one, by the way, the Reggie Bush, is 18 out of 200. Alright, it's 2. Number 3. Okay, we got Deuce McAllister. And then, what is this? Canton Absolutes Chiefs, Derek Thomas. In the back is Mark Bolger. And we got one of them NFL things, Charlie Whitehurst. Not very happy so far. Last pack. Alright, last one. There we go. Come on, I want some Maurice Jones-Drew. Ernest Wilford. Martin Nance, rookie. In the back is LeVar Arrington. And here we got another Saint. Oh crap! It's another Reggie Bush. Oh come on, be autographed. It's a giant freaking jersey piece. Stargazing Reggie Bush. No autograph, but look at that. 2 Reggie Bush in 1 pack. Number 3 of 25. Holy crap. You know what? I don't even know if I should be happy with this pack. Look at that. 2 Reggie Bush, Charlie Whitehurst, and my autograph is Mike Haas. Bam. Alright, see you next time.